Not since Galileo invented the telescope over 400 years ago has our view of the universe been so transformed. In April 1990, astronauts stationed the Hubble Space Telescope in orbit, above the blurring effects of Earth's atmosphere. It returned scenes of unprecedented beauty, as well as clear, sharp images of a dynamic, changing universe. Stars, planets, galaxies, each evolving in time from birth to dissipation and death. This portrait of a universe in motion is Hubble's enduring legacy. The Hubble Space Telescope is now regarded as one of the most revolutionary scientific instruments ever built. While not the only telescope launched into orbit, it has surely been the most versatile. Spacewalking astronauts returned 4 times to upgrade its instruments to newer and more powerful technologies.
Right, Telcom. Go, Telcom. You may be able to pick up the steerable if you desire to try. Pitch 212, yaw 37.
As a result, Hubble has been able to probe the life cycle of stars. From their birth in nurseries of dust-laden clouds of gas, all the way to their final farewell as delicate nebulae slowly blown into space. Or as titanic supernova explosions that outshine their host galaxies. Hubble has peered into the breeding grounds of new solar systems. Dusty disks around newborn stars that may condense into planets. And it has transported us into the billions of galaxies that spread out across the depths of time and space. One of the most photogenic galaxies is a grand spiral called M74, located about 32 million light-years from Earth. Amateur astronomers have long known it as the Phantom Galaxy because of its low surface brightness. Hubble astronomers, on the other hand, saw spiral arms laced with delicate tendrils of dust silhouetted against bright ribbons of stars. These spiral arms are not like spokes on a wheel. They are density waves that move around the galaxy, compressing gas and stimulating the birth of vast waves of new stars. Using Hubble, astronomers are uncovering fascinating details within galaxies they once considered featureless and bland. NGC 1132 is an immense ball of stars some 320 million light-years away. Astronomers have concluded that this giant is the product of a gravitational feeding frenzy. Hubble showed that its surroundings are dotted with dense clusters of stars. They are what's left of galaxies that were swallowed by 1132.